In this problem, we are going to find the foci and focal constant given an equation for an ellipse. Step 1. Solve for c by identifying a and b. The equation for c is equal to the square root of a squared minus b squared. So we need to identify a and b, and the general equation for an ellipse is given here. So we know that 36 is a squared and 25 is b squared. Therefore, a has to be 6 and b has to be 5. Knowing this, we can substitute a and b and solve for c. So c is equal to the square root of 6 squared minus 5 squared, and that will get us positive and negative 3.32. Now the foci, they are 2 points. So negative 3.32 dot 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 comma 0 and positive 3.32 are comma 0 are the foci. Step 2. The focal constant is 2a. So therefore, knowing a, we can simply multiply that by 2, and a is 6. So our focal constant is 12. So this completes our problem.